Okay.
Alright, right now we are about to go inside the sharpshooter shooting range. I'm about to shoot a 22 and a 9mm caliber gun, pistol by the way, and we are about to get briefed on how to handle and shoot one of those guns.
Put the top of this front sight in the very middle of that blue circle, okay?
Alright.
Right in the middle of that blue circle. Fit in that notch, down and back.
For any one of these inside of 45, I wouldn't complain too much.
Magazine. Smack it in there. Okay, now reach across the top.
Now,
And pull back and let it go.
How many did I get in?
Okay, there you go. Back now.
I'll have to load 5
There
rounds
you go.
at the most during the test.
Now, for me, see, it's hard for me to judge with my...
But there'll be somebody out here that
Focus
knows
on your
the
front sight.
and you're...
Very good. That was in the blue.
It was?
Yeah, it was in the blue at 9 o'clock.
Alright.
A lot of guys in the
Okay, try it again.
never shot before. That 45 scared the hell out of them the first few times they shot it.
Focus on your front sight.
Barn after that. And it's like the first one, bangs!
Focus and then cut.
It's like this the rest of the time. Didn't qualify.
That was 6 o'clock low. Okay, let's go in one more.
It's loud, it's, it's a powerful gun.
Focus on your front sight.
Okay, now you're ready to go.
Low right.
I have just shot the 22mm. This, what I'm holding is a 9mm gun, my 9mm pistol right now, and I'm about to shoot it as fast as I can. 5 shots.
What? Shoot. Gunshot, focus on your front sight, and press the trigger. A little low. Okay, go ahead and do it again.
You may not be able to tell.
Focus on your front sight. Focus on your front sight. Well, gently press, 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 press.
Wow, that was awesome. The 9mm pistol was the strongest and had the best kickback. I loved it. The 22mm was comfortable. It was small and I was pretty accurate with it. Well, on some targets I was. Overall, I had a great time, and that was my first time shooting the pistol. Over.